Hi there, my name is Amanda Hill, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can put right one of the more recent changes in your Amazon Seller Central back office. So you've probably noticed it's changed, and if you haven't, it's coming. So let's just go and make it work for you and show you where everything has moved to. So if your Seller Central back office looks a little bit like this, and it's no longer how it was for you, don't worry, everything's now hiding over here in plain sight underneath all of these lovely little buttons. Now, you might have noticed something. I've got all these lovely little things across the top that you may not have. And that's because I've gone through every single one. And if you can spot, there's a little black mark there. But on that one, there isn't. I've decided that I would like this to be in my face all the time, so I can click through it straight away off my toolbar. So all you have to do is click on it and it will add it to this lovely bar up here. So go through and find all of the links that you use most often and that you want to be able to get to quickest and make it easy for yourself. Everything is now hiding in plain sight underneath all of these lovely little buttons here. So don't have a heart attack. It probably hasn't disappeared. It's just in a slightly different location. Hope that's been helpful to you.